Welcome to a brand new episode of V-Mechanic, where in this video I will be sharing my BMW E39 project. In this project I will be converting the exterior to an M5, which will include changing the front bumper, the rear tail lights, and genuine OEM exhaust. I wouldn't be changing the front headlights as they are xenon converted and they look good. Now for the exhaust, I'm not going to straight pipe it, but rather use an OEM M5 exhaust. But today's video will just be a walkthrough of the car. As you can see, the bonnet is a complete mess and does need a complete respray. A sanding work has been done to the bonnet, but it was not finished, and I'm guessing the bonnet was resprayed previously, but due to a dust or silicone in the paint, it has left what we call a fisheye. I will be resanding down the bonnet and removing all the fisheyes and repainting the surface. It also does have the front emblem and the kidney grill missing, but it does have a xenon conversion to the headlights, which looks nice. The aftermarket fog light somehow has water in it. The wing panel will also be repainted as there is a paint drip and the unfinished work. For the side skirt, I'm guessing there was a rust which was fixed by the previous owner but did not paint it, so that will be repainted. Three of the adders have been refurbished apart from the rear left, which I will show in a minute, and for the rest of the area, it's in very good condition with a couple of things and minimum to no rust on the rear panels and the rear boot lid, which is a very common problem in the E39s. There are oxidations here and there on the roof rack and the wing mirror, but that can be repainted and even replaced with a new one, so I'm not worried about that. The paint on the vehicle is pearl paint, which gives it a very nice shine once the sun hits it, but the whole car would need a compound and polish to remove the swirl marks and the holograms. Now for the interior, it's cream with a combination of wood trim. It has a BMW business radio, cassette and a CD player, and the radio trim does seem to work. The interior does have a couple broken bits, especially the climate control, but once again it's common for a 20-year-old car. The seat on the other hand is sports seats, which I like, but the seats and the cushions are a little worn. The engine does start but makes noise from the belt area, which I will look into once I start the engine. I've changed the door seal, which I will put the video in the description below. And also the door lock mechanism was snapped, which I've changed and I will also put in the description below. It has 178,000 miles, which isn't bad for a 20-year-old car. So the noise from the belt area is like this. Sounds to me that the fan belt is worn. I will change the fan belt and also look at the pulleys and tensioner to see whether they are working fine. Be sure to stay tuned as in my next video I will be installing the rear M5 bumper.